so glad you're mine. Princess, my angel, my queen. Baby, you're my friend.
Hey guys! Happy Saturday. We have not vlogged in a while. We are headed to IKEA in this rain, you know, Camila. So we're on our way to IKEA. We need some bedside tables. I've been searching for some for a good while, but I'm extremely picky, which is why we have not even bought a couch yet. Remember, y'all, we've been talking about buying this couch for forever. I decided to just go ahead and get the matching nightstand tables that came with our bed set, like our dressers. We just gonna go down the bottom and get a little, you know what I'm saying, and get back, because I gotta braid somebody's hair. And I gotta wash this girl's hair. And I gotta do my hair. Y'all know I really don't wear wraps like that unless it's just my hair is looking atrocious. And I just didn't feel like doing it. And it's raining. It's not supposed to rain in Southern California, but here we are. Really long? So now we're obviously in IKEA. I'm gonna go straight to the actual furniture instead of like walking through the whole entire store. I don't need that negativity in my life. That's what we're doing. Hey y'all, so we are home. Look at this, we ghetto over here. We be real ghetto. So I wanted to share something with you guys. Don't mind the mess in the back. Let me find it, y'all. So can y'all see? The Shade Room hit me up asking if they could repost my reel that I made, and I'll put it right here.
Put it back. Put the card
Y'all see that?
back. You don't need nothing else.
Crazy. So once they asked if they could repost it, I was like, what? Girl, I didn't know what to think, honestly. That's exciting. It's so funny, like a lot of my friends were texting me telling me that it was up, I was getting tagged, blah blah blah, message. And like my close friends, I was telling them like that gives me anxiety. I think being an influencer and being a content creator and having like a social media presence, people expect for you to just be like so extroverted and so all of this. And I do have extroverted tendencies, but like I've said many times before, excuse me, that was so unladylike. So I'm an ambivert, so I'm more introverted and extroverted, but I have more introverted tendencies. And I think like just the attention on you, just of all these people that you don't know, a little overwhelming. I think some people forget like you have so much traffic coming to your phone from different platforms. It can be overwhelming on top of like your personal stuff. Anyway, I do deal with anxiety, and sometimes things like that gives me anxiety. I do have anxiety when it comes to posting. It's so funny, like I have something sitting in my phone for like a long time before I'll post it. That's amazing. Like Shade Room, that's pretty big. So I'm very thankful, very grateful for that. Like seeing that other people were sharing it, like Carrie Hilson shared it, Watch Jazzy shared it. I don't even know, some other like to hear more or something like that. I didn't, unless someone told me that they shared it, I didn't see it. Your girl made the Shade Room. Like what? But yeah, I wanted to share like everybody's, but I don't like to watch people's stories where it's like just a ton of shares. Yeah, I need to clean up all of this behind me, make our bed, clean the rest of the house. I'm trying to put together one of the nightstands. It's not what I wanted, but it goes with our set. What I wanted, I just didn't want to risk getting it because I didn't know if I wasn't, you know, was gonna like it or not. That's where we are. Anyway, oh y'all, I gotta tell y'all about my therapy session. Okay, so if you know me or you've been following me, or I don't know, but I have mentioned going to therapy for a very long time. It has been one of my desires. I had a great childhood growing up. You know, I had some loving parents. They still are married. Everything's been great. Loving siblings and family. Thankfully fortunate growing up. But you know, you still do experience childhood traumas. You still experience things that you hold on to. And so I have a lot of issues, okay, that I just need to work out. I'm a person who just doesn't trust that easily. I don't open up. Very picky about who I call friend. I'm very picky about who I spend time with. I believe that I was blessed with discernment. All that stuff, right? I don't know. I need therapy. Okay, hello, somebody. I need therapy. I got therapy for the first time, and I said never again. She came from a more biblical approach, and I felt like I was talking to like a mother in the church or something. That's not my desire. If I want that to happen, I could just call somebody for free. I need more of a clinical approach. It just wasn't for me. I do encourage you guys, if you have been thinking about therapy, to just go ahead and do it. It took me a long time. Y'all, I got these, what is this? Like frame, I forgot where I got this from. I'll leave the information. We had this at our old place. It has relax, and then this is our anniversary date, and then, you know, our last name being Patterson, and then this is like where we got married. And then I also have balance, right? Girl, we have not put this stuff up. Like there's nothing on our walls, and I don't know, like first of all, I'm plain anyway, y'all know that. Like I don't like a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. I'm like minimalistic type of vibe. They weren't cheap, so they gonna go up somewhere. Hello. Anywho, y'all, that's it. I'm finna just chill, relax. Yeah, just thought I'd chat with you guys real quick. Everyone's kind of doing their own thing. It's raining outside. I hate rain. Talk to y'all in the car in a long time. I know it's dork or whatever, so I know y'all can't really see me on the end like that, you know, hanging there. I'm just adding on to now. This is last week's vlog. Yeah, so you know, it's hard to vlog when really ain't nothing popping, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, it is 6:20 on a Sunday morning. You know, I'm headed to the Lord's house. I'm headed to the Lord's house. Huh? Come on, somebody. Because if you don't know, now you know. Glory, glory! Okay, I haven't even had coffee. That ain't nothing but Jesus. I do work services, so we have online services. I'm a part of the media team. So all my media team ministry members stand up. Ha, ha, ha. Girl, I done almost missed my turn because it's so doggone foggy. Anywho, crazy is, I believe I had some bad Chipotle, and my stomach has been just not business, y'all. Like this isn't the first time my family has experienced something from Chipotle, and I don't know why I put my trust in Chipotle when they have done me dirty on multiple occasions. That's why I have trust issues. Anywho, hopefully my stomach will feel a little bit better. I took some Pepto. That was the only thing I could reach real quick. I couldn't get into all my natural herbness, so yeah, I had to grab that Pepto real quick. I'm sorry that it's so dark in this here car. Again, the sun hasn't even come up yet, so I know y'all saw it in the same video, but me and Eddie went viral again. Like, we went viral 2 times in a matter of a couple of weeks or less. Like, that is insane. Like, that is crazy. Anybody who knows me, like, I would love to be in a Tyler Perry production, work alongside with him. I don't even have to even act, although, you know, I wouldn't mind, you know. But I just love like theater. I love production. I love editing. I love all of that stuff. I truly believe like that is a strong gift of mine, because like I say, Comedy is all about timing. Yes, you want to be funny, but the timing of it all makes perfect sense. Comedians, they know timing important in comedy. So I say all that to say, you know, your girl was just having fun, huh? I have anything saved in my TikTok drafts, just never posted. So I'm glad that I went ahead and did the whole Amazon thing. I mean, it's been more and more people still sharing that mess, like Portia from Real Housewives. Celebrities have shared that, and it's crazy to me. Like, it is absolutely insane to me, because my goal, honestly, and it's crazy because I'm an influencer, is really not to go viral. Like it's great. Hear me out, church. It's great, but I want it to be funny. Like, great, yeah, let's get some views on it, of course. Like, that's the smart thing. But to end up on the shade room, it's not. It wasn't a plan of mine. Even for me in Eddie's video, if you saw me in Eddie's video, that was just an idea of mine. I asked Eddie to do it with me. Eddie just really did his Eddie was just he was what he was Eddie, okay? It blew up. I did not expect for me and Eddie's video to blow up. Like, no, I didn't expect that. Ended up on the shade room. I'm like, what the heck? And I think what made Eddie excited was because it ended up on Niecy Nash. Niecy Nash posted it on her feed. I don't follow her, but Eddie thinks she's like fly. So I know he feels some type of way. It was being shared by just so many big following types of pages, and so that was a blessing. I feel like people try really hard. I feel like if you're just naturally funny, I see it all the time, I'm sorry, I just do. If you're naturally funny, you don't have to try super hard. What you guys see on camera, on Instagram, is how I am off camera and off Instagram.
Come on, tell them. Tell.
That's just me. I think transitions and all that are cool, but for me, comedy just works. So it just feels good to be able to be seen by a lot of people by just being yourself. You know what I mean? There's just, it's a copycat spirit, and I've seen it with myself, but I just don't point it out like people do. It is a copycat spirit, huh? In this generation, it happens, huh? Somebody, it's a copycat spirit. It's social media. Social media is, that's just how it is. You're not gonna always, you know, get the proper recognition and all that type of stuff. I mean, we saw it with me and Eddie's video. The couple took our video on TikTok and did the same exact thing, like the same exact wording, the same exact feel. For me, if I'm like thought that was cool, I would be inspired to do it differently, and put my own little twist on it. So people aren't gonna do that, and you can't get mad because people don't care. Everybody's in it for themselves, pretty much. I'm just saying. Someone who can peep stuff, I peep it all. It's a blessing, but it's also a curse. I'm just very, 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 very observant. I've always been that way. And so I can see little things, but like I said, you can't get upset. If you see something that's becoming like popular or whatever, you're gonna try to emulate it, and that's just what it is. Why would this fool just take off? Y'all, I done almost cussed on a Sunday. Jesus! Anywho. But yeah, I mean, I've seen people take little things that I've said and done in my videos and put it in their videos. And I was inspired by Bree Hall to use memes in my videos. So I didn't start that, you know what I mean? But I give credit to where credit is due. That's all I'm saying, saints. But one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my name on it. You know what I'm saying? Smart and strategic in this game of life, in this industry. Your girl might be a dog owner. I've talked about this plenty of times in my vlogs. I've also talked about it on Instagram. I actually got filled with anxiety talking about it. You know, that's gonna be life soon for baby girl and husband. I'm just trying to gather myself and prepare myself for the life adjustment. We plan on getting a puppy so that the puppy can grow with us. I do not want a big dog. No, I don't even want a dog. Hello. But you know, we're here. And I think once I get my dog, I'm going to document the journey in hopes to help other people who are like me, because you do kind of feel really alone talking to people who are like me, who have never had dogs, who might be fearful of dogs. Everybody always says no one gets it, like no one understands. You really do feel like alone. You really do feel like people are treating you like you're dramatic. People are treating you like, just pet it, you'll be okay. My dog doesn't bite. My dog's more afraid of you than he is. Now you know. Did he didn't tell you that? Doesn't matter if the dog is more afraid of me. I'm still gonna be a little bit more fearful. I can guarantee you that. We are looking into Yorkies and mini golden doodles. So those are like have been in like multi-poos. I don't know the names of these things. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, y'all. Your girl got a therapist. I think I talked about getting a therapist, so I'm very happy with my therapist. I found her on betterhelp.com. I think I did say that, but just in case if I didn't, I found her on betterhelp.com. But she's giving me worksheets and she's checking in on me, and I just really love that and appreciate that, because y'all know I have trust issues. I don't be trusting. I don't even trust. I don't trust. No, I don't trust nobody but Jesus. I feel like everybody should have a therapist.
So don't worry about what people say about you. They're going to try to belittle you. They're going to try to cellularize your name. They're going to try to sabotage you. They're going to just try to do anything they're trying to do to destroy you.
I think that is my update.
Are you done? Are you done?
So I've been talking this whole time, so this is probably a super long video if I put all this stuff in. You guys enjoyed this quick little life update and whatnot, so